Instead of spending $4 on a Dawn Powerwash refill, we're going to make our own for 50 cents. You'll begin with 11 ounces of water and 2 ounces of rubbing alcohol. This is the 70%, not the 91. The 91 is a little too concentrated. You then add 3 ounces of Dawn dish soap. I like to use the Dawn Platinum. So that's 11, 2, and 3. So kind of the 1, 2, 3 idea. And 2 ounces is the same as 4 tablespoons, and 3 ounces is the same as 6 tablespoons. Then you just gently stir this in. You do want to use cold water for this because if you use hot water, it will suds up really easily. Now, actual Dawn Powerwash uses denatured alcohol, so it's a little bit different, but the alcohol works great for helping it to evaporate a little bit faster. For my bottle, I've reused an old container from when I did buy the Power Wash. It's great because it's got the foamer here, but you can also find other bottles that have foaming abilities as well. This is one that I picked up on Amazon and it's worked great for us. It doesn't hold quite as much, but that's why I keep that in the jar so that I have a place to keep the extras. Then you just pour your refill into the bottle. I try not to do it too fast because I don't want a lot of turbulence there. And if you have a small funnel, you have to be careful not to overfill as well. A little bit of suds on top. And it's all ready to go. So here's Dawn Powerwash, and here's our refill. And I love how much easier it is to do my refill. So $4 or 50 cents. I prefer the 50 cents. In fact, what I really like to do is make extras and just put it in a jar, and then it's super easy to refill this when it runs out, especially for the kids.